We will be starting the session today with the meaning and definition of advertising and how it acts as a tool of social change. Let us first discuss about the meaning of advertising. The word advertising has been derived from the Latin word advertere, which means to turn towards something. Advertising is a form of marketing communication that is used to promote or sell something, usually a product or a service. According to American Marketing Association, which is located in Chicago, advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods, services, or ideas by an identified sponsor. This definition was given in the year 1963. The keywords of this definition are: first, any paid form. The space or time for an advertising message is generally bought. Second, non personal presentation and promotion. Advertising is totally non personal, offering no personal interaction, which is delivered through some mass media. Third, goods, ideas, or services. Advertising is a powerful mass communication tool which is not only used to present and promote goods and services but also to promote goals of public interest and social causes. Fourth, an identified sponsor. The sponsor of ideas or opinions is known in advertising.
When we talk about the functions of advertising, it has majorly three functions. First is cognitive function of advertising, second is affective function of advertising, and the third one is conative function of advertising. Cognitive function of advertising deals with creating awareness and knowledge of a particular product or a service to the audience. Affective function of advertising caters to the liking, preference, and conviction for a specific product in the minds of the viewers. Conative function of advertising deals with the action, that is, buying of the product by the audience. Sigmund Freud gave a wonderful explanation of human mind. He said that the human mind consists of three layers. The first one is known as the conscious mind, the second layer is known as the preconscious mind, and the third layer is called as the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the one which is active at present and can be accessed immediately. The preconscious mind is easily accessible by putting a little stress or by giving some hints. The subconscious mind occupies the largest space in the human mind. It consists of all the beliefs, past experiences, traumas, instincts, painful emotions, happy moments, etc., which help in shaping the present actions of the human being. The advertisers, therefore, try to hit the subconscious mind of the target audience in order to change their beliefs or to support their pre-existing notions by creating effective storylines. They ultimately drive them to take the action and purchase the particular product. Now, what does advertising do? The advertisements are the amalgamations of the conceptions that are picked from the society. Advertisements at times manipulate the cultural, economical, physical, and social needs by producing and provoking hope in the minds of the audience. Advertising aims at consumers' subconscious minds much more than their conscious minds.
As we all know, advertising is an act to advertise a product, service, or an idea in order to promote it for enhancing the brand image or to increase the sales. When we talk about advertising as a tool of social change, it is so designed and created that it makes an effort to create an effect in the society. Advertising plays a very huge and significant role in shaping our society, the way we see, we think, understand, and act to certain things. The advertisements pick the particular popular culture and then do everything in order to appeal and catch the fantasy of the audience. They create the need in the minds of the customers. They arouse desires with the help of their storylines, visuals, dialogues, characters, music, etc. Let us further discuss the topic with the help of few examples. The ad campaign Share the Load by one of the most popular detergent brands, Ariel, tries to break down the stereotype of washing of clothes by the ladies of the home. It promotes sharing of household load by both the partners as is being carried on in professional lives and at workplaces. The advertisement of Tanishq jewelry breaks down two taboos. Firstly, the notion that a beautiful bride must be light skinned, as is always preferred in Indian society, and that divorced and widowed women should not remarry. The advertisement of Havells shows a family asking their maid to join them at the dining table for dinner after she serves the food. The other film of the same brand shows a newly married couple at a marriage registrar's office where the husband explains to the official that he will adopt his wife's surname. The advertisement of Samsung Note 4 picks up the issue of making the child ready for school by her father instead of mother. There are n number of examples prevailing in the society today. We can come to a conclusion that advertisements pick certain issues from the society and then try to make a change and eradicate them with the help of effective storylines, visuals, and music. They make an attempt to rupture all the things which are being continued in the society from years even after the technological advancements, developments in the society, and industrialization, where women are known to be the second half of the societal issues. These advertisements are so designed that they touch the inner emotions and heart of the target audience, thereby influencing and convincing them for the change thus exhibited in the advertisement. The audience, when watch these advertisements on television, start comparing and analyzing themselves with the characters they watch. They also get emotionally attached to the characters subconsciously by their role played in it, and then focus on the actions and mold their own thoughts about the particular issue. Hence, it can be said that advertising acts as an agent of social change. We would be coming up with more lectures on journalism and mass communication. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.